Mo deputy governor ito omugaka na akagete no mugaka wesigete motebiga omweshimiwa bebo emiaka nere gwika omonto otikobwana emiaka nere gwika omonto esika. And when you are in public service, there is a way you should handle yourself. Governor, Deputy Governor Obebo, you was seen yesterday at Kiamokama saying aba MCA bage susu, mo MCA Masimba, mo MCA Chuni, no mo MCA Nyamasibi, araruchi para kitakero jari barasa. But I want to respond to the Deputy Governor of Kisii in this manner. Deputy Governor Obebo does not even understand the position he is holding. Deputy Governor Obebo, he has reduced himself to a clerical officer. Okonya gweta makolime koligerie bintu aba engineer be county batakere koligerie. Deputy Obebo, you don't even know your position in this government. To start doing politics na ba MCA mbararu para is the lowest you can go. And as I've said, omweshimiwa Obebo emiaka nere kare gwikire hande bunayo molisia bwe kanisa tutakiri kungainiriri ochaka kungainiriri ngaba MCA mbararu para asenge mu advance siasa yeno yo bwana ye siasa etabwati mutura maega negento kera the lowest we can go as a county. Kigatoka ni serikali ye county ga amagenderero tari mo MCA okorero amagenderero n'abana inchi bari bagakorero into n'aba MCA we have done our part lakini gavana simbonye gateto advance yegente kenga n'aba MCA go punish asenge njo bayirire siasa yabo murengo mungao eto tumukani ngati gakorera abana inchi gasi 2027 gegwika to abana inchi bari bamuyoboka.